as many of the subscribers to the Green Party of Malaysia channel would have realized, I've been posting cross-posting food recipe videos on this channel, the Green Party channel, primarily because I want to help Malaysians become healthier. Malaysians are one of the most unhealthy peoples in the world. 50% are fat, 20% obese and 30% overweight. And the single biggest thing that you can do to improve your health is your nutrition. You are what you eat minus what you don't metabolize. Okay, what's left over becomes you. So nutrition is your single biggest exposure to the environment, and it's the lowest hanging fruit. So if you eat right, you can get and optimize your health. Of course, I have a channel devoted to a healthy eating. It's called the Vegivore Food Therapy. So if you're interested in eating healthily and other modalities to optimize your health, go check out my Optimal Health community on Telegram, or my Vegivore Food Therapy Healing the World One Bite at a Time channel on YouTube. I also have a mirror YouTube channel called Vegivore Malaysia, primarily because I have limited access to my Vegivore Food Therapy channel. I can't use my iPad to access it because I've forgotten the password, and I can only access it through YouTube. So anyway, I can't reset the password because the email is full, same with some other channels that I have. So I have to do this workaround. Anyway, if you want to optimize your health, go to Vegivore Food Therapy or Vegivore Malaysia. And I also have a Telegram channel, like I said, Optimal Health Community. It's Telegram t.me/Vegivore. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
If anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe